Rejuvenate dry or damaged hair. Finesse Restore Plus Strengthen Moisturizing Conditioner leaves dry, damaged, and stubborn hair feeling silky soft and more moisturized. Use for a restorative haircare experience where hair is stronger and more manageable. For hair that's healthier, stronger, more alive. Effectively revitalizes dry hair, damaged hair, dull hair, difficult hair or frizzy hair. Finesse products help transform hair so it looks and feels more alive. Finesse Haircare for Women. Men. Do you want healthy hair, silky hair, moisturized hair, or soft hair? Finesse products will help you improve the look and feel of your hair, while leaving it smelling fresh and clean with our signature fresh scent. This unique self-adjusting formula contains silk and soy proteins that protect the hair shaft with a coat of conditioning and shine. So, no matter how your hair is, the result is consistently beautiful hair. Ingredients: water, aqua, cetyl alcohol, cetrimonium chloride, cyclopentasiloxane, dimethaconal, quaternium 18, fragrance, parfum, T-dodecylbenzene sulfonate, propylene glycol, silk powder, serica, hydrolyzed soy protein, hydrolyzed keratin, Camellia japonica seed oil, potassium chloride, hydroxyethylcellulose, disodium EDTA, glycerin, sodium PCA, DMDM hydantoin, citric acid, methylchloroisothiazolanin, methylisothiazolinone. Directions. After shampooing, massage through your hair. Rinse thoroughly. Use daily. Gentle enough for color-treated hair. Top reviews from the United States. Luscious locks. I have dry hair and it's hard to find a conditioner that works. Look no more, this is good hair days in a bottle.